How to activate Cooperative Bank credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Cooperative Bank login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, cooperativebank.co.uk, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now you have to access to the account. So go ahead and type in your username. After you type in your username, if you want to save your username, check in for this option and then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, click on the credit card option. You will see all your credit card listed there. Select the card you want to activate. Next to it, you will find an option, activate button. Click on that. Follow the on-screen prompts, input your card details and any other required personal information to complete the activation process. You can also check the documentation that came up with the card. There are often instructions provided on how to activate your card. This might include a phone number to call or a specific website to visit. If you need to activate your card by phone, call the number provided. You might be connected to an automated system or a customer service representative who will guide you through the activation process. Be prepared to provide your credit card details and possibly some personal information to verify your identity. And that's it for this video. This is how you can easily activate Cooperative Bank credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.